Right under that air stand.
Did you know it does that? It's all foggy.
Check. See how clear it is now?
Yeah.
See all of them?
I can't believe the beginning of the day they weren't swimming and now they're
There
swimming.
goes our
everywhere.
baby convicts.
Beautiful, majestic little things. When they hatched the 6th?
I can't remember.
I think it was the 6th. I want to say it was the 6th.
So it'd be 8 days it took them to start swimming.
Yeah, 8 days for free swimming. Someone said 6.
But ours was a good 8.
And they weren't swimming at all this morning.
So by the end of tomorrow, they should be swimming all over the tank.
Uh-huh. We should be good to start feeding them here in a couple days.
Focus that. So you see them there. Fucking shaking. Pretty cool though.
That's the tank.
It did look nice too. Female convict destroyed it up. That's a real nice planet tank. You know what I'm saying? In the making. But
And then we got more on the way. Over here.
this male, he's a pimp.
I named him a pimp named Slickback. Because as you can see, he's at it again. There's the new mommy right there. Where's old mommy?
There goes old mommy. Those are her fry in the other tank.
Notice he just pawned her off. He got him a new one. There he goes. He thinks I'm trying to steal his babies. Look at them teeth. He'd be biting my ass up.
But yeah. That's it.